What if you could streamline software development and make personalized, adaptable, modern enterprise applications? What if these applications could drive new levels of innovation and digital transformation throughout your organization? What if there was a new way to develop software that allowed you to integrate any data source and extend the possibilities of the digital twin, enabling you to differentiate your organization from your competition? There is Mendix, the low-code application development platform from Siemens Digital Industry Software, enables industrial organizations to jumpstart digitalization across products and processes. It includes 4 foundational components to deliver a unique blend of development agility, digital capabilities, and personalized experiences. Low-code development is a game-changing environment, enabling anyone, from your most seasoned developers to engineers and key business professionals, to build sophisticated, high-value applications using a simple drag-and-drop approach. Within that environment, we enable you to tap into the Accelerator portfolio through app services. You can use these flexible building blocks to create new industrial apps or extend existing ones. And we make it easy to access and integrate data from any source, any system, and any data set, from our software to your ERP and CRM systems and beyond. Finally, IT and domain experts can collaborate and develop powerful multi-experience enterprise and industrial applications in a fraction of the time, from mobile applications with offline capabilities to augmented reality and virtual reality. Accelerate your innovation and realize amazing new possibilities with Mendix, the low-code application development platform from Siemens Digital Industry Software. Siemens Digital Industry Software, where today meets tomorrow.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.